Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with week number 2 of the collaboration I was asked to join by Mariann's Crafty Corner, and it's also hosted by Reyes. I will have their links as well as all the other creative ladies who are a part of this collaboration in my description box below, so you guys can go check them out and see what kind of inspiration you can find from them, which I'm sure that you will be inspiration overload. So week 2 was themed bows, and you know our collaboration name is Sunshine and Rainbows, so that was the theme. And these are the ones I made for my swap partner and then for the giveaway at the end. So if you missed last week's video, I will link that here. Our first week was cards. And stay tuned for next week. It'll be like a rainbow rope project. I'm excited to see if I can pull that off. You'll have to stay tuned so you can see if I do. But my swap partner, I don't think I mentioned that in my last video, and it is Crystal, Cruising with Crystal, here on YouTube. I've known Crystal for a few years now here on YouTube, and we've entered in each other's challenges and giveaways and things like that over the years. So I've got to see her crafts up close and personal, and believe me, if you don't know who she is, join in on the hop so you can check her out. So I have some footage, I'll play some music, I assembled some stuff, and then I'll be back. Aloha, if you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you stopped by. If you're returning, thank you so much for your love and support. I appreciate you guys choosing the time to spend here with me. Hopefully my project was inspirational to you. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.